Hey, what's going on, people? As you can see, once again, I've taken my Ryobi Misting Fan apart to change the pump. Um, so I made a video 2 years ago explaining how to change the pump, and I provided links on where to get the pump. And over that time, in the comment section, I've gotten a couple of replies saying, "Oh, use WD-40, spray WD-40 in the inlet part that receives the water, and it worked for them." So I decided to take the old pump apart, and from what I can see, this is the motor. This is the only mechanical. This is the only part that has metal. Everything else is plastic. So this metal, the motor spins, and it has this pneumatic thing that with rubber, these rubber pieces right here that pump the water. So it's just rubber and plastic doing the actual work. So I decided to use Claude AI and Chat GPT to see if there was a better solution for I guess increasing the life of these pumps. So according to ChatGPT and Claude AI, they said that running it in a vinegar water solution may help increase the life. Also, using running an air pump through it, or air pressure through it may get it working again. So, and it said that WD-40 would not be effective and may degrade the rubber and plastic parts. So it said that the WD-40 is not effective. So either periodically run it through a vinegar water bath, water solution, or run an air pump through the inlet nozzle and maybe shake out some of the whatever's clogging it to get it to jump started again, or either the motor just conked out. So I don't know, if these motor. I wasn't using it that often, just in the summer. So I can't imagine the motor burning out in that quick of time. So, and I can't seem to see any scale. So in the past, this particular pump is just 2 years old, so it hasn't built up any scale. So I'm not sure if you know how much scale build up, or what the purpose, why it stopped. So I'm gonna try the in my other misting fan. I'm gonna try the vinegar water um, solution, and I'm going to um, use my air pressure, run some air pressure through the nozzle when I see that it's not working as effective. Um, so that's just an update. I previously gave you the links to where you can find these water pumps, and this is really for the people who said that WD-40 works for them. I mean, it works for them. If it works, then great. Keep doing it. But from what I see, you know, I can see that it's just plastic and rubber. So yeah, I'm gonna try what the Chat GPT and Claude AI said, which is use the vinegar water solution and run air, give it a blast of air. And with that, I say peace.